excuse the lecture, but as lawyers, we should strive for accuracy. And I think it would be better if you said the post office instead of postal service.
True. Thank you, Mr. Fink. I stand corrected.
Welcome back to our Legal Transparency series. Today, we are inside a Michigan courtroom for the case of Elder Management versus Nicole Freeland and Aaron Gates. This is a landlord-tenant dispute centered on a significant rent balance of over $5,000. Watch closely as the judge begins by reconciling the financial ledger, while the defendants prepare to present a complex plan involving third-party aid organizations. Let's listen to the opening statements.
Eladot Property Management versus Nicole Freeland and Aaron Gates. Oh, there you are.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Are you busting the place up? No,
Just my stuff.
What are your names?
Nicole Freeland.
Aaron Gates.
All right. And where are we on this case, Mr.?
Right now, I'm looking for it. Here it is. They currently owe, including costs, $5,157.33.
That's including January, just so you're aware. They posted January 2026's amount on there, so.
Yes.
That's January rent included.
Yes.
Let me look at the ledger, Judge. They did make a payment on 12/5. And you're right, that includes January rent. The balance today, actually, they made a payment of $350 on the 5th. The balance today is $3,779.83.
All right. Okay, that makes more sense given the numbers I was given at the last. All right, folks, how are we going to get this taken care of?
We got great news to tell you.
Oh, it's great news?
Yes. Last week we weren't able to make a payment, but this, today we
Right.
made a $350 payment.
Okay.
Faith in Action made a $2,157 payment. They sent the check out,
59.
or no, 57. They made a check out and sent it
Hold on a second.
today.
How much was it? He was interrupting.
Oh, that's okay.
And I don't know why he was doing that. I cautioned him the last time. Didn't I say, we need to speak to the brain trust. All right, go ahead.
They made a $2,157 payment.
Okay.
We talked to Hawk on Wednesday. So Faith in Action made the difference, bumping it down to $3,000, as well as paying January's payment, so that when we have our meeting with Hawk in January 8th, our payment is down $3,000. So hopefully Hawk can help us out.
I got you. So it's a little bit more. Okay. So here's what I'm hearing. You guys made the $350 payment, and that's reflected in the number you gave me. Is that correct, Mr. Frank?
We just made
that today, so that probably won't
that's
be
not
reflected.
reflected.
No.
Got it. And then, okay, I see this now works. Then Faith in Action is going to pay $2,157.
Mhm.
Which is going to bring your balance down. But if I were actually to take that first number that was given, the 51, whatever it is, which is why you have $57 at the end of what they'll pay, it's bringing it down to $3,000 for January. They've got a meeting with Hawk and are hoping Hawk can then cover that $3,000 for January. Wow.
Like I said, we were coming back, we're like, got great news to tell him, so.
No,
Hopefully,
and it all,
yes.
it sounds complicated initially, but it all makes sense.
Mhm.
And I'm glad you explained it to me, not him. All right.
When did Faith in Action pay?
They sent the check out and it says,
You have an email. If you would like.
December 19th is when they sent the check out.
Like today?
Yes.
Probably today, today, because I had to get in hold of Ellendot, because on the lease, it says Packard, but then on the website, it said Huron Valley, so we had to see where to send the check. So they had emailed me back, and so yes,
Got it.
they should have it Monday, Tuesday next week, I'm thinking.
In the
Well,
today.
350.
except that I
Yes, yep.
have we just had in the last block a faith in action payment that was made, Miss Edlow, that was made on the 5th. They still don't have a check.
I know she sent her, Brittany, the lady we were talking about.
No, I don't doubt
Okay,
that. I don't think it's anybody doing anything else. I don't think it's receiving on that end. I don't think it's the people not sending the check. I think there's a thing called the postal service in between that is causing problems.
Your Honor, excuse the lecture, but as lawyers, we should strive for accuracy, and I think it would be better if you said the post office instead of postal service.
True. Thank you, Mr. Fink. I stand corrected. Because an office is stationary.
At this pivotal moment, the legal conflict is clear. The plaintiff seeks a judgment for unpaid rent, but the judge is exercising judicial discretion. The defendants have shown proof that organizations like Faith and Action and Hawk are stepping in to cover the arrears. The judge is choosing to believe the tenant's testimony regarding a check currently in the mail, a common issue known as the postal delay defense, rather than issuing an immediate eviction order. This shows how courts balance strict law with procedural fairness.
And it just sits there. All right. So how do we want to handle this? I know that you might want a judgment, Mr. Fink, but I believe what Nicole's telling me. And Aaron?
Is there any money in escrow, Your Honor?
I don't think.
I'm not asking you to release it. I'm just.
No, I don't think there was. There was not money in escrow because the last time that they were here, they were kind of in this process of trying to figure out where to go. They were going to make these minimal payments, but they had a plan in mind. And it sounds like that it just had to.
Hawk was taking a while.
Right.
Really, it was. They were denied, like they wouldn't take us phone calls. And so we actually went to Faith in Action and they helped us get the appointment to making sure that all.
Get the appointment with Hawk and then looking at what your figure would be, got it down to the point, gets the appointment with Hawk. Nothing's going to be taken care of in January, till January.
Can we confirm the appointment with Miss Amy?
Do you mind if
It to be January 8th at 10:30, I think it is. Yep, I have a 10:30.
is it okay if Amy?
Oh yeah, sorry.
No, it's okay. Okay, I'm just letting you. Okay, thank you. I'm just letting you know. I believed you. All right. I was not questioning anything, Nicole, you were saying. All right. Okay. That's on January 8th. You have that? All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I am going to adjourn this. So next week does us no good. My next date is not until January 9th after that.
Okay.
So I'm going to adjourn this to January 9th, 2026 at 1 p.m.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Are we still making our $350 a week payment? Correct.
So let me think about this a second. So here's.
Can I ask a favor too, maybe possibly? We're falling a little behind on other bills. Is it okay to be like?
Hold on. Just hold on.
Okay.
Hold on a second. 300. So between now and then, if it was 350 a week, you would probably pay about $600, $700, right? How many kids do you have?
We have the one daughter.
And the way you have this set up, either Hawk is going to pay the $3,000 or come awful close.
Mm-hmm.
Right? How old's your daughter?
She'll be 3 January 3rd, so very soon.
It's her birthday. And she needs to have Christmas. Don't make the payments. Get her something. Let her have a happy Christmas. Get some of your bills taken care of. Okay? And then we'll see on the 9th, see where we are. We'll get you through this. How's that sound?
In a remarkable conclusion, the judge not only adjourned the case to January 9th to allow agency funding to clear, but also ordered a stay on weekly payments so the family could afford their daughter's 3rd birthday and Christmas. This ruling emphasizes the human element, often missing in legal proceedings. The next hearing is set for January 9th, 2026. If you found this insight into the judicial process helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more courtroom coverage. What do you think of the judge's decision? Let us know in the comments.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right. That may be over their objection, but so be it. That's what I did.
Well, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Happy New Year.
Christmas to both of you. And Aaron, really, I'm sorry. I don't mean to get on your nerves.
Okay.
All right.